What's up, guys? Chromium here, and today we're doing a different type of video, and of course it's not like arena highlights or just a montage right now, but today we're going to be unboxing my new keyboard, and you'll see which one it is in a second. I don't really know the name at all, but under company, so make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you check out my socials down below, or just YOCHROMIUM on all socials, Twitter, Twitch, Instagram, etc. Make sure you go follow my Twitch. I stream daily Fortnite content with my trio, so make sure you check that out, and use code Chromium for an item shop. So let's get into it. So here's an angle. I don't know if it's gonna be bad. I'll have to see in the video. This is my current keyboard, SkyTech gaming keyboard. It's very disgusting, very ugly. We're just gonna toss it out the way, and as you can see, there's the keyboard. We have the Red Dragon. I don't actually know the name. Here you can see the front of the box like that. I know it's Red Dragons like that, but I actually don't know the name. So, and I don't have scissors. So I'm going to attempt to do this with my long fingernails. I'm going to cut them today. Good thing I don't have a hand cam. Because usually I just use like the electrical ones. Let's get into it right now. Well, first of all, let's look on the box. It says gold plated. Oh, it has a gold plated USB. Let's rotate that. So it has, I don't know if the camera focus, gold plated USB, multimedia keys, 12 of them, full without conflict, and then win lock. Alright. It says high speed control, high speed, high control, and high response. So yeah, we're gonna open this right away. Get it open nice and easily. Ooh, nice package. Flipping open. We got the bubble wrap. Ooh. Not break this. Just flip this open. Got the cord. You got it. The thing you removed. Wait. The thing you removed keycaps with. And here's the keyboard. Never had like a really good keyboard before. Oh, and already I can tell this is high quality. Ooh. Let's get everything out the box. So we have bubble wrap. I'm gonna be popping that later on stream probably. We've gotten some like direction things. I'll have to look at those. And then again the keycap removal. I think we can put in like our own keys if we want it. But I think that's it with the box. Yeah. So let's get on to, oh, there's stuff on the back of the box, but we'll look at them later. Let's get on to the keyboard first. So very clicky, as you can hear. It's by Red Dragon, of course. It's not, so before I had a number pad, this time I have it less extended, so I won't have the hotkeys for like my streams, but I'll figure something out. I like the keys a lot. So that's good. Has a scroll lock, all that stuff. Has the F11 key and stuff like that still. I wanted to get one where it was just this. Like, I ended up getting that part. But let's undo the cable and let's get this boy plugged in. Oh wait, here's, how do I take this off? The gold plated USB. I'm gonna leave that on until we're done with that. But let's finish up the box because I don't think I did finish that up. It does light up, as you can see. And I'm gonna read it to you because you probably won't be able to see. High quality LED lit background, and then it's that in a bunch of different languages. That's cool. Oh, it's spill proof. That's really cool, I guess. Spill proof. I don't really need that because I have my drinks on different desks. Let's get this unwrapped and let's get this plugged in. And I'll meet you in a game of Fortnite probably. If you don't know yet. Alright, so we're in a creative game. It's a creative world. Let me delete this. Yeah, I'm gonna get some freebooting in, see how I like it. I have not warmed up today in free builds, so Right off the bat, I love the feel of it. Checking with my mouse pad, I'm not in the new sense. I love the clickiness of the keys. I'm gonna definitely be changing the color when I find out how to. But I have to look at the manual. I keep on Harry Potter myself. Right off the bat, I love the keys. They're very like responsive. Compared to my other one, I had a lot of latency, even though it was wired. This one's way better. This one again, let's see how it is for like movement while shooting. Alright, which gun do we want? We're gonna get that. We're gonna get that. Okay, so swap this around just so I don't be cleaning. So my control, which I use to crouch, it is smaller. But I do like quite a bit. So if you see, I don't know if you can see that. I press control with that. Oh, it's nice and weighted. I like that. So that's what like I use for that. Right. That's pretty cool. Whenever I laser, I'm like that. So I can do that pretty easily. That's pretty good with that. We're just gonna get some more freeboot in. I'm really trying this hard on my build. I'm just trying to showcase the keyboard. But I really like it. I'm gonna have to get used to it, definitely, because I'm not used to this much responsiveness. You see, I am choking quite a bit of stuff. But I really like the keyboard. I'm gonna head down and see how tunneling is with this. Alright, no. Very nice. See how the edits are? So I'm just gonna kind of 90 up. Do a low down edit. Pretty nice. See how the wall edits are? I'm not the best on my wall edits. Let's try the pyramid ones. Pretty nice. Like if I'm building up, I could do that. I don't know how I took that. But yeah. So this is a great keyboard. I like it a lot. How you change the colors, and hopefully you will see this on stream. I may have the little keyboard cam, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below like we did before, and comment what you want to see next in the next YouTube video, and make sure you tune into my stream. Peace.